Alright, so been doing a lot of things today, a lot of work. I can't explain everything on this vlog, but anyways, it should lead to some interesting stuff. I checked my email and
I'm going to ask you several questions. How do you feel? Well, sir,
it was so cold up there. I went on the 14th floor of that building and the wind was absolutely fierce. But thanks to this, I discovered one more reason why these A7 series Sony cameras are so amazing, and here is why. The fact that they're so small means there's so much less surface for the wind to catch it, and I didn't have much space to spread the legs of my tripod, so I was kind of scared. I was like, wow, this I was kind of afraid that the wind would blow off the tripod and the camera while I was doing the time lapse, but that didn't happen. Even like the most powerful gusts of wind, it didn't happen, and I'm pretty sure this is because this camera is so small that the wind doesn't have much to grab on to catch. So yet another reason why these cameras are awesome. I really swear by these cameras. They're really cool. The only thing I kind of get worried about when it's that cold is if it gets too cold, it could squeeze, and then I won't even be able to rotate. But you know, so far so good. So I guess I would probably have to worry about this if I go in Siberia. But for now, Brooklyn, it's all right. Apparently this camera can handle it. When I came back here, because I forgot my phone this morning here, I saw this email, and it definitely lifted my spirits. So basically, I can shoot portraits for actors. This is awesome. This is what I've always wanted to do.